This is definitely one of the wildest laptops here at CES 2023 because this is a dual screen laptop. We've seen foldable screen laptops before. This has dual 13-inch OLED displays, and there's a ton of usage modes that you can do with this thing. Let's take a look. The YogaBook 9i is a laptop that's designed to turn heads with its dual 13.3-inch OLED displays. You can use this convertible in tent mode for giving presentations, in tablet mode for entertainment, or you can leverage the included stand and open up both displays. Take your pick from working in landscape mode with two apps side by side, or in portrait mode. There's some pretty nifty gestures too. If you press with 5 fingers, the active app can fill both screens for a waterfall effect between the two displays. Want an on-screen keyboard? Just press with 4 fingers on each hand and drag down. You'll see some widgets appear above the keyboard to keep tabs on news, weather, and more. Drag down again, and a virtual touchpad will appear. Of course, not everyone wants to type on a touchscreen, so Lenovo throws in a Bluetooth keyboard you can use in dock mode, or you can place it right on top of the bottom screen. Move it up higher, and the virtual touchpad will pop up once again. However, it feels a bit weird when the physical keyboard is higher than the on-screen touchpad. Other highlights include a 360-degree rotating soundbar with Dolby Atmos support, and an included Smart Pen for taking notes. The specs are as modern as you'd expect, including a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 U-Series chip, 16 gigs of RAM, and 512 gigs or 1 terabyte of storage. Don't expect many ports though, there's just 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. The only main drawback, other than the $2,100 price, is the relatively thick and heavy design. Overall, we're really impressed with the sheer innovation that the YogaBook 9i brings to the table. Yes, it's on the heavier side. Yes, it picks up fingerprints, but when you think about all the usage modes and how Lenovo is truly pushing the envelope of portable computing, there's a lot to be excited about here, and we can't wait to review it. Make sure you subscribe to Tom's Guide at YouTube and follow us online.